Hello guys, good morning! Welcome to Coffee Break with Juni. And ngayon guys, it's just almost 7 o'clock in the morning dito sa Dubai. And okay, finally I started this Coffee Break with Juni for this year. Coffee Break with Juni guys is ito yung way ko how I share my thoughts, okay, sa lahat ng mga kababayan natin na nanonood sa akin dito sa Dubai. So, thank you sa lahat ng mga viewers ko from all over the world. Tuwing umaga guys, ano ba ginagawa nyo? Kumusta kayong lahat? Ano yung ginagawa nyo? First thing na ginagawa mo sa umaga. Ako, I always drink my coffee. Anyway guys, kahapon kasi na-receive ko na tong copy ng Ilustrado 100 Most Influential Filipino. And I already did my reaction video when I opened it. Pero noong kinagabihan, until ngayong umaga, I'm still reading some comments and messages of my friends and followers online. Now, it makes me more prouder na napasama ako that even my classmates from elementary to high school, college, hanggang sa mga previous companies ko in the Philippines are sending me a message and saying that how proud they are. So sabi ko, ang sarap sa pakiramdam na, of course, di ba, masarap talaga sa pakiramdam that you are being recognized by this kind of institution. Kasi yung Ilustrado magazine is also been featured sa TFC, and they are actually talking about yung mga napasama dito sa listahan nila. And I'm very proud na mapasama ako. And actually guys, yung experience being part of this list is mas masaya. It's because the moment na sinendan nila ako ng message by a group, parang group chat kasi siya, na I was informed by Ilustrado na kasama ako sa top 100. But of course, secret muna. So, they sent some questionnaire that I need to answer para nga po doon sa article na isusulat nila about me. So, noon pa lang, I'm really so happy na mapasama sa listahan na ito because I believe ito talaga yung mga taong nakagawa ng pangalan dito sa Gulf area, dito sa Middle East. And I'm just very blessed kasi last year na actually last year is yung pinaka down, I mean pagdating sa buhay ko dito sa Dubai, yun yung pinaka parang minalas ako actually with my career, not in vlog. Kasi sa vlogging career ko, doon naman ako bloom talaga ng sobra. Kasi 2016, 6 months noon, talagang I really suffered a lot because yun nga po, I didn't finish my contract because I was offered by a Filipina entrepreneur ko no, na for sure napapanood nyo yun sa mga vlogs ko, na I am endorsing restaurants at kung ano-ano pa. But then it turned out na parang ginamit lang din ako. So imagine that's my life ng 2016. Pero during the time that I'm on a freelance mode, kasi I don't have the employment visa talaga, wala akong official work. Since I have time to attend mga events and all, doon nakilala ng Filipino community yung mga ginagawa ko, yung influence ko with not only just Filipinos here in UAE, but doon nila na-realize na I have followers coming from other countries. Kaya thank you sa lahat ng mga viewers ko talaga. Last year kung saan hindi ako ganun ka-okay, alam mo yun, mas iba yung pakiramdam, alam mo yun, yung feel down, but then these organizations, mga newspapers, yung binibigyan ka ng award of the good deeds na nagawa mo for the community. I was nominated for Media Personality of the Year ng Filipino Times. Na-awardan ako ng isang humanitarian group dito sa UAE. I've been attending big events in recognition na kasama ako doon as one of the famous vloggers sa Dubai. And a lot of things, ang daming nangyari. I've been endorsing different Filipino restaurants na talaga. And even some Filipino organization na kinokontak nila ako. So alam mo yung tipong, I'm very proud of myself. Pero behind that, hindi nila alam kung ano yung totoong buhay na meron ako last year. So sabi ko, my 2016 was the most amazing year for my vlogging career. But yun yung pinakamahirap na napagdaanan ko naman sa buhay ko bilang OFW. So by this year, sa paglabas ng Ilustrado magazine, it's a good start for my 2017. And I finally have an official work. Ayan, kaya thank you so much to my employer na binigyan ako ng lahat ng chance na kaya kong gawin. They believe on my talent. Kaya tuloy lang. So my message for this vlog, actually guys, for this coffee break with Junie is, ang dami ko pong naranasan last year na ayoko maranasan na lahat. Okay, na yung parang naloko ka ng nagpapanggap na employer na hindi naman talaga ganun kagaling na employer, okay? So, if you are watching my videos, nararamdaman nyo na sometimes nagpaparinig ako ng mga ganun, is because ayoko talaga ang hirap kasi tanggapin, alam mo na ang nanloko sa'yo, Pilipino din. Yung tipong, yes, she hired staff without the proper planning kung paano niya sasahuran, paano niya bibisahan. I don't know if it is really her intention na mag-hire lang na mag-hire and she doesn't care what will happen after. Kasi diba, ang tamang pagbi-business kasi is dapat planado yan eh. Okay? You have to know ilang tao lang yung kaya ng budget mo, ng business plan mo, of course. So, ako, just to cut the story short, even until now, na wala na ako doon, naaawa ko sa mga staff na na-hire niya. O, hinire namin kasi I've been part of hiring them, kaya nga ganun kalaki yung hiyang-hiya ako. Pero sa kanya parang wala lang. Okay, so sadyang may mga taong makakapal talaga ang mukha dito sa ibang bansa. Okay, na imagine, parang wala lang, parang ang tingin niya kasi ng employer na to is siya sa valid reason kung bakit, parang it's not my responsibility kung bakit hindi kita napasahod. It's because nalugi ako eh. Yan yung, that's I think the way how she think. Pero this is not Philippines, okay? Na you have to remember hiring a staff. Okay, sana no sa mga employer dito, especially sa mga Pilipino, that if you're hiring staff, you have to consider a lot of things. Kasi iba ang buhay sa abroad. Dito, you have visa to pay. May expiration yan. Pag nag-exit, mahal. Okay? And then, imagine, how can she imagine na maloko ba o lokohin yung mga ganitong kapwa natin Pilipino na nagtatrabaho sa'yo ng isang buwan. Okay, like us, nagtatrabaho ng isang buwan na mamasahe araw-araw. And pagdating na sahuran mo, wala lang. And giving us this reasoning na it's because nalugi siya. Kaya guys, please, again, I have to talk about this topic most of the time kasi ayokong maranasan ng mga Pilipino yung napagdaanan ko at napagdaanan ng mga naging kasama ko dati. Na if, guys, please, okay, if yun, nandito po kayo sa Dubai, get a job na alam mong sigurado. And how? Number one po, is make sure mas okay yung tipong i-process niya muna ang employment visa mo bago ka magtrabaho. Or maaaring mag-training ka, yes. But when you say kasi training, hindi naman isang buwan eh. Training should be like 3 days, maximum 1 week. Pag after a week at wala pa rin, bogus o walang kwenta yung employer na nakuha mo. Okay? So guys, wag na po tayo magpakatanga katulad na nangyari sa amin. Because what happened to me was, I just trusted her so much. She has a name in the community. Pero, sadyang hindi lang kasi talaga ako ganun kabastos na tao to like share her face online and talk to her sa harapan niya mismo na how terrible she is as an entrepreneur. Kasi tingnan mo, that's the reason why ang daming taong naghahabol sa kanya ngayon. Because, tandaan nyo guys na may karma po talaga sa buhay. If there's an intention na lulukuhin mo lang yung kapwa-tao mo, promise, you will suffer. You will suffer. Kaya wag na wag po tayong manloko ng kapwa natin, lalo na kapag nasa ibang bansa. Kasi iba ang sitwasyon ng buhay sa ibang bansa eh. Na kapag yan nawala na ng pera, saan na siya pupulutin? Hindi ganun kadali umuwi sa Pilipinas. Mahal ang ticket pa uwi. At plus yung kahihiyan mo pa sa pamilya mo na wala ka narating sa ibang bansa. Na lahat ng mga nag-abroad, especially naka-tourist visa, visit visa, matindi ang pinagdaanan yan para lang makarating sa abroad. Kaya sana wag natin ganunin yung mga nasa Dubai, nasa UAE. Especially sa mga Pilipino din ng mga entrepreneurs. Okay, well, I think that's all for this morning, guys. See you tomorrow again para sa ating usapin. You can just write down, guys, any comment in the comment box below. And I'm gonna react to all of that, guys, every morning. I-share natin online. You can also open, guys, any topic na gusto nyo pag-usapan natin. Okay? Bye!